Hello, my 4th standard kids. Welcome to English class. Hope you all are fine. Let us move on to the grammar session today. Okay, so we have finished the first lesson video and the poem video. So you have learned the poem with the question answers, all that I have given. So I have finished everything. So learn all that and be thorough, children. Now we are going for the grammar part of this. Okay, the first unit you have the grammar. Here the grammar here is preposition. Okay, the preposition is at place. The place, indicating the place, it is given in the preposition. Okay, so let us move on to this lesson. So where will be your place indicating? Whose that place will be seen at this preposition of place. Okay, just for example, shall we take the first one? The dog is in front of the house. Okay, in front of is the preposition of place. Okay, there are three prepositions here said: in front of, behind, between. Okay, these are the three prepositions for the preposition of place. The first one is the dog is in front of the house. Let's go for the next one. The dog is behind the house. Okay, the dog is behind the house. Then the third one we move on is the dog is in between the houses. Plural. Okay, two it will be, then it will be houses. ES it should be compulsorily. Don't forget the ES there. So if it is ES, what will come? In between will come. That is a clue for you to write the answer in the fill-ups. Okay, you cannot write between, behind or in front of, because it is houses. Okay, let's move on to the next example. Very easy example. Let us choose this. See the box here and see and tell me where will be the apple. Apple is behind the box. Very good. Then the second one, where is the apple? The apple is in front of the box. Then next one, how many boxes are there? There are two boxes. So you have to write boxes in front of. No, it is wrong. It is between the boxes. The apple is in between the boxes. Shall we go for the next example? The doll is, yes, in front of the box. Then, so here is a clue for you, boxes. So it will be what? The doll is between the boxes. Then third one, the doll is behind the box. Okay. Next, the fourth one example. I am in front of the rock. Okay, then I am behind the tree. Okay, next, I am in between the bushes. So this is the rabbit spelling, telling you the place where it is living. So first one, I am in front of the rock. Then I am behind the tree. I am between the bushes. This is very easy for you to understand in the numbers, children, because we have learned this before, after in the numbers. Okay. So let us go on for the numbers and alphabets. Okay, this is the yellow doll is before the blue toy. Yellow doll, yellow one is here, the blue one. So the blue is after the yellow. Okay, next. Here before indicates a position preceding, that is before, that is first. Preceding means first. 5 is after 4. 1 is before 2 or after 2 or after. 1 is after before 2. Okay. 3 is after 4. 6 is after 5. Okay. Next, A is after B. I mean A is before B, D is before C, E is before F, B is after C. Okay, so now let's go for the next one. Aditya is standing. Okay, who is Aditya? It can be anywhere, the other side or this side. Okay, let us see the examples. I will give you in the PDF form of it. You can see the answers and write it in the classwork. Okay, let us go for the supplementary story. In the next video I will show to you. First this we will finish. Next we will move on to the supplementary, so that we finish one whole unit. Okay, let us go on for the Kamarajar composition. Okay, so you will write the composition according to this. Okay, you will stick the picture and write this and write the sentences below in the classwork. This will be a project. Okay children, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next class. Bye.